see her, but she may dart right out of the box. She's pretty energetic.
She wants out.
Yeah, she does.
Hey, pay attention, everyone. This could go fast.
I know. It could go tripping over our heads. I know, they will be like, oh, I guess.
You guys stay there, don't.
I hope it doesn't hit me in the head. I know.
Oh, I got her. So here she is.
I am out of here.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, that hairdo is wonderful.
Alright, Noise, go ahead and release her.
Bye. Good work.
Well done.
Hi, I'm Megan from the Vermont Institute of Natural Science. What you have just seen is one example of the more than 400 birds that VINS cares for each year. As a 501c3 not-for-profit organization, we depend on your support to provide the medical treatment these birds require to get them healthy and back into the wild. In addition to our on-site avian rehabilitation facility, the VINS Nature Center in Quechee, Vermont proudly displays an impressive collection of live raptors, songbirds, and other animals for you to see up close. With 47 acres of diverse natural habitat, the VINS Nature Center offers a host of educational programs and special events enjoyable for people of all ages. For the latest information on the birds in our care, a list of our current Nature Center programs, outreach opportunities, and events, or to contribute to VINS so that we can continue our important work, please visit our website at vinsweb.org or call 802-359-5000 for more information.